groundnut sauce with mushrooms. The ingredients are linked down below in the description box. Let's get making this recipe. In a clean pan, bring some onions and water. Bring that to a boil, and you can add other ingredients if you like onions, tomatoes. I didn't because I was going to add mushrooms already. So you then bring your groundnut paste, and then you can just put it there or try to pat it just like you see in the video. The essence of this is to jumpstart its melting, melting with the warm water and the onions, and then the onions infusing. So on the side, you go ahead to wash the mushrooms. I went ahead to wash them in a sort of like a sieve because you don't want to be chewing on soil. So I use this technique whereby I bring everything on the fire and then try to soften the paste, as opposed to softening the groundnuts on the side and then bringing it to a fire. It just does one thing in a go. So after the 5 minutes, try to play around with the paste, and then you're gradually adding water to see how thick you want it, as you keep on mingling such that the bottom doesn't stick as much or it doesn't get burnt. So by now my mushrooms are thoroughly washed, and I go ahead to add them as I continue mingling to make sure that the paste doesn't stick to the bottom. It's actually you have to be patient with this whole process, but the end results to die for, as you'll see. So I go ahead to mix. I don't feel like my groundnuts are ready until I see the oily bubbles popping up and some sort of oil coming to the surface. I just don't feel like they're ready. Probably this right here was ready, but I just had to see them right there. And voila, I have to see the oil, and then I'm like, yeah, it is ready. So yes guys, this is how you prepare your mushroom soup or paste, as you'd love to call it. If you have any other techniques, please share them down below of how to make the entire process as easy as possible. But this is the way I prepare them, and they turn out super delicious. I can't complain. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.